Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Plyhr, Portfolio Manager at Norron Asset Management. He joins me to discuss the launch of Nasdaq Sweden Small Cap ESG Index Futures. Marcus, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you so much for being here today.
All right, you got it. And before we dive into the details about the product, Marcus, could you start by telling us about Norron Asset Management and the investment philosophy behind your funds?
Sure. So Norron is a Nordic asset management company, started in 2010, 2011. We have 6 different funds, 2 fixed income funds, 2 hedge funds, and 2 equity funds. I've been part of the company since 10 years back. Been portfolio managing for 6 years now and in charge of our absolute return products. Norron stands for Credit Alpha and Equity Alpha. So we focus a lot on the fundamental analysis and creating excessive returns for our shareholders.
How does Norron use the equity derivatives today in your portfolio management? And can you walk us through that a bit?
So we're using equity derivatives for our hedge funds, but also for our long equity funds. So on the hedge funds, we are shorting index futures. We're buying put options, buying call options, doing all sorts of derivative trades. On the equity funds, we're using both long futures, but also using call options and call derivatives in order to sort of get that exposure in an easier way as a risk management perspective. On the hedge funds, we are using mostly derivatives as a risk management tool, as you're probably aware of as well. In hedge funds, it's all about risk management.
Mm-hmm. The Sweden Small Cap ESG Index Future is somewhat new territory for investors. What do you think makes this product stand out?
So in the Nordic space, it's been the liquidity has been getting worse and worse, and I think with this derivative, we will be able to get exposure in an easier way, both for hedge funds, but also for long only equity fund that's trading within the small cap space.
And you're highly active in both equities and equity derivatives as well as credits. Can you elaborate on how you would use the Sweden Small Cap ESG Index Futures for your long only and hedge fund portfolios?
So in the hedge fund portfolio, we have not sort of found a good index hedge to be hedging our small and mid cap companies. So with this product, we will be able to, especially when the market is more turbulent and getting more volatile, we will be able to hedge our small and mid cap companies in a better way, because usually when there's a downturn in the market, the beta increases in the small caps, and with this product we will be able to protect that part of the portfolio in a better way. In the long equity funds, I think if we would like to get more exposure towards small and mid cap, we can use this in an easy way and get liquidity in a better way like that.
How do you think the Sweden Small Cap ESG Index Futures will impact the overall trading ecosystem within the Swedish small cap space?
So I think there's no product as of today that in the Nordic space where you can get liquidity in an easy way. So I think long only equity funds will be using this product to both when they get redemption and subscriptions in their funds, but also if they want to add leverage into their funds.
In terms of risk management, how does the ability to hedge and position yourself with this new product compare to other solutions you've used in the past?
I would say it's a lot better. I think this product will help many of the portfolio managers, not only in the hedge fund industry, but also in the long equity industry here in the Nordics.
What are the benefits of having a financial instrument like the Sweden Small Cap ESG Index Future when looking at cash management for funds?
I think, I mean, as of today, like I said, I think it's a very good product to be using to get that liquidity in a fast and easy way, especially as a risk management tool.
Mm-hmm. And finally, Marcus, for other asset managers watching this, what advice would you give on integrating a product like the Sweden Small Cap ESG Index Futures into their portfolios?
I think they should start using it right away. We already traded it, and I think the more portfolio manager that will be using this, the more liquidity, and there's many. I think there's a couple of market makers already. So I think just start trading it, and it will be a good product to be using in any of the funds, hedge funds, and also equity funds.
All right, Marcus, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.